Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my wash day and I will be using the ORS line. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's get started. So my hair has been in these two cornrows for the past 2 weeks. But when I take them out, I get this semi-wet look that I absolutely love. Let me know if you want to see a detailed tutorial on it. Absolutely great for pictures, and those who have followed me on Instagram, you've already seen this look. So I'm just going to go ahead and section off my hair to begin detangling. Detangling my hair, of course, I'm starting from the ends, working my way up to the root. For those who may want to know, I got my last relaxer March 21st. So that will put me right about 6 weeks, 6 weeks post relaxer. I absolutely adore this effortless wave that the two braids give me. But anyway, for some reason, I guess from the change of season, I've been getting a little bit of shedding, more than usual. But anyway, sectioned off in 4, and I'm going to go wash my hair. I'll be back. So starting out, I'm going to be using the olive oil ORS Moisture Restore Creamy Aloe Shampoo. Now, I like this shampoo because it removes buildup without stripping your hair, and it's also cruelty-free. I'm not sure if too many people realized it, but this shampoo can also be used as a neutralizing or clarifying shampoo. And it's actually made for naturals as well as relaxed. So you don't just have to be relaxed to use this line. For my deep conditioner, I'm going to be using the ORS Olive Oil Strengthen and Nourish Replenishing Conditioner. This is infused with sweet orange oil, which is for revitalizing and moisturizing your hair. It helps restore damaged and dry hair. I mean, what more can we ask for, right? So I absolutely love this conditioner and I've been using it for years now. I always start at the ends of my hair and I work my way up to my root. And just like any deep conditioner or mask that I would use, I go in between the section and make sure I get my hair completely coated as much as possible. This conditioner is a beast when it comes to detangling your hair. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. This is what I mean. I can literally put my fingers through my hair without any troubles. Complete ease. Like, come on. I mean, you got to give this product its props. So anyway, I'm just going to lightly detangle this section with my fingers and then begin to apply the conditioner to the other side of my head. The reason why I'm using this line is because it's heavy in moisture and repairing damage. At my last salon visit, my aunt told me that my hair, for some reason, was extremely dry, and she felt it important to let me know to make sure I put as much moisture back into my hair as possible. So that is what I am doing. So for the best results, of course, you can put a plastic cap over your head and leave that on under a hooded dryer for 10 to 15 minutes, or you could just leave it on for 45 minutes to an hour without heat and then rinse out. My hair smells so good, you guys. Anyway, I'm going to start in the front section and detangle that section. I actually wanted you guys to see what my hair looks like just shampooed and deep conditioned. A lot of you ask me all the time if I relax bone straight. I do not relax bone straight. Whatever results I get from the time of the relaxer that's put on the container, that's what I go by. Before I started blow drying my hair, I did apply my leave-ins as well as my heat protectant before I started my blow drying process. Those of you that follow me already know how I blow dry my hair, so I'm not going to go into great detail about that. But I do want to show you the results that I get when I'm done blow drying this section. After I'm done using a product, I always go through my hair to see if there's any movement. That right there means everything to me. That lets me know that my hair is highly moisturized, clean, and light and flowy, and that is exactly what I want and what I expect out of my products. So all 4 sections have been completely blown dry. I just wanted to give my hair some camera time before I add my moisturizing hair lotion. So it's still light, airy, it's grown a lot, my ends look great. Yeah, I love the results of my hair. So for my moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Oil Moisturizer by ORS. It is the hair lotion. This is infused with castor oil for strength and shine, and it also helps prevent breakage. Just a few more things I like to add about this hair lotion that's really, really great for us relaxed girls. It prevents split ends and it helps prevent damage caused by heat styling. It also restores moisture to dry and brittle hair, leaving your hair silky, soft, shiny, and more manageable. After I'm done moisturizing and sealing my hair, I'm going to go right back into my protective style. This is my protective style of choice while in quarantine. I absolutely love it. To tie off my ends, I am using a rubber band. Now, the rubber band I never put directly on the ends of my hair. I put it right where, you know, the bulk of my hair ends, if that makes sense. I know this is a really odd way to measure the length of your hair, but I remember when my hair stopped at bob, and I kept saying, if I can just get to the end of this green little section, I'll be doing something. So now I'm like touching like right above this little yellow section here now. So now my goal is here, which is literally just right under my bra. So I think that's what, another 3 or 4 inches there. Yeah. I know it's an odd way to measure your hair, but I don't pull out a ruler. I just kind of look at like what I'm wearing, like, oh, it'd be real cute if my hair like stopped right here. So now that's my goal. Okay, so this is it. This is going to be my protective style for the next 2 weeks. So what I will do is by the end of this week, when I take it down and, you know, I'm moisturizing and sealing my hair. I will wear my hair out, you know, in that wet look for a day and then braid it back down for the following week. So my hair does get to be out and, you know, free. But while I'm in quarantine, I just don't see the point of over manipulating my hair for absolutely no reason. So these are my quarantine braids and how I am protecting my hair while working and like literally doing everything from home. Like everything from home outside of walking the dog. So what is the point of over manipulating your hair if you're going to be stuck in the house? This is the time to feed your hair the nourishment that it needs while in quarantine and put your hair away. So repair and moisturize your hair and then put it away. It's the best thing to do while quarantined. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Comment down below your quarantine product of choice. And until the next time, be loved.
Hey guys, it's me, Logan. If you have a mom that, like, you can hear, like, they can hear your whispers, like, I said squeaky, and she said, what did you say? What did you say? I was like, how can you hear me? I whispered.